Are you ready to elevate your documentation skills to a professional level? Today, we dive into documentation standards, a vital resource for first-year chartered accountant students. Clear, defensible, and professional documentation is key. Let's unlock the secrets to impactful documentation. From captivating your audience with a compelling question to weaving in concise explanations, we'll guide you on this journey. No fillers, no cliches, just a smooth, engaging progression. Get ready to master the art of clear communication. Let's begin. In the world of accounting and audit, documentation is not just paperwork, it's the bedrock of professional practice. Your documentation serves as the tangible proof of your efforts, buttresses your findings, and shields both you and your clients. Imagine it as a breadcrumb trail that narrates the tale of your professional discernment. Lackluster documentation opens the door to a host of troubles, from regulatory entanglements to audit failures and professional risks. Robust documentation, on the other hand, showcases your expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence. It's the audit trail that leaves no room for doubt, the support for your professional judgments, the tool for reviews and quality checks, the shield against legal disputes, the conduit for knowledge sharing, and the compass for regulatory adherence. So, why does documentation matter? Because it's not just about creating records, it's about safeguarding your reputation, your clients' interests, and the integrity of your work. Remember, in the world of accounting and audit, your documentation is the key that unlocks a path to trust and success. Ever wondered what holds an audit together? Working papers are the glue, meticulously documenting audit procedures, evidence, and conclusions. They form the backbone of the auditor's report, ensuring compliance with professional standards. Think of them as the blueprint of the audit process. Planning documents set the stage, evidence files gather supporting proof, analysis papers dive into the details, and conclusions wrap it all up neatly. From strategy to final opinions, working papers are the unsung heroes of auditing. Ever wondered why working papers are crucial in auditing? They're not just paperwork. They are the backbone of the audit process. They serve as a clear trail of the work done, the reasoning behind decisions, and the quality checks required. From evidence of tasks completed to legal protection during inspections, working papers are a vital tool. Think of them as the roadmap for future audits, ensuring continuity and understanding for the next team. In line with ISA 230, these papers must be detailed enough for an outsider to grasp the audit process. So, next time you fill in a working paper, remember, it's not just a formality, it's the key to a successful audit. Embarking on the anatomy of effective working papers, each document stands alone, conveying purpose and findings clearly. A robust working paper includes key elements for completeness, clarity, and defensibility. Header details set the stage, the objective statement clarifies intent, source documentation validates information, work performed details procedures, conclusions summarize findings, and review notes offer a final check. With precision and structure, working papers serve as pillars of reliable documentation in professional settings. In the world of auditing, the quality of documentation can make or break a review. Let's explore the stark contrast between a poor and a good working paper for cash testing. The poor working paper lacks vital details, no index reference, vague descriptions, and missing cross-references. It falls short in quantifying differences and lacks a clear conclusion statement. In contrast, the good working paper for ABC Corp's cash reconciliation is a model of clarity and thoroughness. Clear objectives, detailed procedures, and a concise conclusion ensure accuracy. Remember, precision in documentation is key to a successful audit. In the world of auditing, a well-structured indexing system is the compass guiding us through the labyrinth of data. Think of it as a roadmap, effortlessly leading reviewers to key information and illuminating connections between documents. Picture a tree with branches, folders arranged alphabetically, each with its own decimal-tagged subsections for easy navigation. By linking related documents through index codes, we create a clear audit trail, showcasing the supporting evidence. Consistency is key, stick to one indexing method for a seamless journey. So, in this complex landscape, indexing and cross-referencing are the trusty guides ensuring clarity and efficiency in our audit processes. Dive into the Standard Indexing Convention, a streamlined filing system that organizes financial documents with precision. From Section A's bank reconciliations to Section E's payables confirmations, each category is designated with clarity for efficient tracking. Expand further with decimal notation for detailed breakdowns. This method ensures seamless navigation and accessibility. Ever wondered how to master cross-referencing in your financial documentation? The TB Cross-Reference Map is your guide, linking key elements like the trial balance, sales register, reconciliation, bank statement, cash, and revenue sections. Why bother with cross-referencing? It creates a clear audit trail, ensuring every number and conclusion can be traced back to solid evidence. Best practices include using consistent tick marks, clear referencing, and documenting evidence chains. Keep your documentation organized and easily verifiable. Remember, every number tells a story, make sure it's a clear and traceable one. Welcome to Chapter 4, Understanding Audit Evidence. Audit evidence is the backbone of auditors' conclusions and opinions. But not all evidence is created equal. Auditors must weigh both the quantity and quality of evidence obtained. The most reliable sources include external confirmations, while direct auditor observations rank highly. External documents received directly are also reliable. On the other hand, internal documents with strong controls fall in the moderate reliability category, and management representations alone are the least reliable. Remember, the strength of evidence can vary greatly. So, always evaluate both the sufficiency and appropriateness carefully. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of audit evidence. Ever wonder how auditors gather evidence to ensure financial accuracy? They employ a range of methods like inspecting records, physically examining assets, and observing processes in action. By seeking information through inquiries and confirmations, they validate data from both inside and outside the entity. Recalculating and reperforming procedures double-check accuracy and effectiveness. Analytical procedures dive deep into financial data, revealing insights through ratio and trend analysis. Each method serves a unique purpose, providing a comprehensive view of the entity's financial health. Remember, in the world of audits, evidence is key to ensuring accuracy and reliability. How do auditors ensure December sales are correctly recorded? Let's dive into a practical revenue testing example. We selected 20 transactions, totaling $485,000, from the December sales register. Each sale was scrutinized using sales invoices, shipping documents, and customer purchase orders. By verifying key dates and cross-referencing records, we confirmed all transactions were accurately recorded in the correct period. Remember, detailed documentation is key for clear understanding of audit processes and outcomes. In essence, meticulous evidence gathering ensures accurate financial reporting. In Chapter 5, version control and document history play a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and transparency of collaborative work. Version control tracks changes, guaranteeing everyone works with the latest updates. From the initial draft version to senior review, revisions, and the final version, each step is documented with clear file names and timestamps. This process is vital for maintaining accountability and efficiency in collaborative projects. Remember, in a dynamic work environment, keeping track of document history is key to success. How can you ensure smooth navigation through version control challenges? Start by implementing a clear naming convention. Use client name _section _version _status_date format for files. For instance, ABC Corp A1 V3 draft _20231115. Avoid vague names like Final or Final 2 and always include dates in YYYYMMDD format. Document changes effectively by maintaining a change log detailing who, what, why, and when. This fosters accountability and aids reviewers in understanding document evolution. When managing archives, retain previous versions but clearly mark them as superseded and store them in an archive folder. Never delete old versions during audits, instead, keep a comprehensive history for review. Ensure access control by managing who can edit and finalize documents, utilizing document management systems, and locking final versions to prevent alterations. Track checkout/check-in for concurrent collaboration and maintain an audit trail of document access. In essence, by following these best practices, you can streamline version control processes and enhance document management efficiency. Ever wondered how audit documentation comes to life? It all starts with meticulous planning, where templates and key documents are crafted. Next comes the execution phase, where evidence is gathered and working papers take shape. Senior and manager reviews follow, refining the content with their notes. Finalization ties up loose ends by addressing comments and polishing files. Understanding this lifecycle is crucial for anticipating documentation needs at each stage. Working papers transform from initial planning to evidence gathering, through review cycles, finalization, and finally archival storage. Each phase demands specific requirements and quality standards before progressing. In this process, precision is key, ensuring a seamless progression towards comprehensive documentation. Why does proper referencing matter in accounting work? By citing standards, regulations, and guidance, you show your adherence to professional requirements. Clear citations enable reviewers to validate your interpretations and form technical conclusions. Avoid assumptions, always be specific in your references. Include international standards on auditing, accounting standards like IFRS and GAAP, regulatory mandates, internal firm policies, client accounting guidelines, and industry-specific standards. Ground your work in authoritative sources to ensure accuracy and credibility. In the world of referencing correctly, specificity is key. Merely stating according to standards won't cut it. For instance, referencing IFRS 15, paragraph 31, clarifies that revenue recognition ties to fulfilling promises to customers. Likewise, in the realm of audit evidence, citing ISA 500, paragraph 6, mandates the design of procedures for ample and appropriate evidence. By aligning with these standards, we ensure thoroughness in our approach. Remember, precision in referencing enhances clarity and compliance. Ever wondered how to properly cite accounting standards, auditing standards, firm guidance, and client policies in your work? IAS 2 Inventories, paragraph 9, mandates measuring inventory at the lower of cost and net realizable value. Similarly, ISA 240 The auditor's responsibilities relating to fraud, paragraph 12, emphasizes discussing susceptibility to material misstatement due to fraud. On the firm's end, the Firm Audit Manual, section 4.2.1, dated January 2023, aids in determining sample sizes for substantive testing. Meanwhile, client policies, like the ABC Corp Revenue Recognition Policy, version 3.0, page 5, specify revenue recognition upon shipment for standard product sales. Each citation serves a crucial role in ensuring compliance and accuracy in financial reporting. Are you ready to elevate your working papers to professional standards? Before you hit submit, take a moment to run through our quality checklist. Ensure your documentation is complete with all necessary elements: header info, index references, procedures, evidence, and a clear conclusion. Double-check your cross-references to make sure all sources are properly indexed for easy tracing. Confirm that your evidence is strong and well-supported, with key documents attached and indexed. Ensure clarity by simplifying technical jargon for a broader audience. Don't forget to cite relevant standards and regulations with precision. And lastly, maintain version control by properly naming your file and documenting changes. A little extra effort now will save you time and headaches later on. Great documentation is not about drowning in paperwork, but about crafting a clear and compelling narrative of your professional journey. Your working papers are your armor, proving your audit prowess and safeguarding your legal standing. Remember, organization breeds clarity, indexing and cross-referencing pave the way for a smooth audit trail. Quality reigns over quantity, focus on obtaining precise evidence that backs your conclusions. Control the process with versioning and change logs, ensuring integrity and accountability. Ground your work in standards, for they lend authority and credibility. Each working paper should answer, what what, and what does it mean? Embrace the practice early on. The more you hone your documentation skills, the more it becomes second nature. Craft your story with precision, for great documentation is your key to professional success.